Changing your air filters takes only minutes and can extend the life of your furnace, reduce energy bills, and make a big impact on the air quality of your home. Here's what you'll need. To replace the disposable filter in an air duct, unhook the latch to release the drawer. Next, remove the old filter and discard. The size of your filter should be listed on the side. If not, be sure to measure before purchasing any disposable replacements. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the furnace in the direction of the airflow. When finished, close the drawer and secure the latch. If your air conditioner has a reusable air filter, like a window AC unit, start by turning off and unplugging the unit. Remove the front cover and clean the slats. Then take out the air filter. Shake vigorously to dislodge as much dust and dirt as possible. Wash the filter lightly with soapy water, then rinse with clear water until clean. Air dry the filter thoroughly. Return the clean filter, lining up the notches inside the filter compartment. Replace the cover and restore power to the unit. Changing the air filter on a regular basis can improve your indoor air quality and help your HVAC system run more efficiently. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.